Hi guys, I know it's been a minute, like it's been a while I've posted here on YouTube, and I'm sorry, my apologies. But today I'm not trying to explain why I've been off for close to 2 years now. Today I'm just gonna show you guys how I install this 10 inches PC core. It's full frontal. This is my first installation actually. I bought this here just to try out installation. I'm like a DIY girl. I like doing things myself. I like trying out new things. I like trying out stuff. So this is a full video of what the hair looks like. It came like this, not blocked, nothing. This is not like a HD front anything, just a normal lace frontal. So I decided to pluck it a little. I have no idea of what I am doing. I would like to you guys. I have no knowledge about that. Okay, I have a bit knowledge, but not that I am a professional on it or anything. Just what I've seen people do. So I decided to just try it out. So the hair, I plucked it a little, and that was what I could do. And this glue I'm using to glue down this lace, I got it from Trade Fair Market, Lagos State. That's where I got this glue, this spray glue. When you want to do your front and everything, your stylists, they use up to 2 to 3 glue and all that, but I decided to buy just one. I'm not a professional, so one was okay for me. So I used only this spray glue for this installation. So as you can see, it's already gluing down. I used my comb to press it down. That's what I see people do. Don't blame me, guys. Anyhow you see me do, don't blame you. I'm just doing what I see online. That's what I did. So I got this band, and this is my old band, I think, from the old my old installation that I've been doing outside. So this is one of the bands that I normally use. So I just decided to use the band to secure the front idea, because nobody knows if it's gonna pull up or anything. Then another thing is my blow dryer. I've been using this dryer for I think 3 years, getting to 4 years now, and this dryer doesn't blow cold air. I don't know if it's only my dryer. I've experienced a whole lot of dryers, and I know there are dryers that blow cold air, but this particular dryer of mine, it only blows hot air, and this thing wanted to burn my scalp. But I decided to just try it again. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it blows hot air. And I don't think this glue needed. What it needed was I know it needed cold air, but my dryer, I got tired and I decided to just ditch it off and just continue with the other steps and everything, which is to trim the frontal to my face size. I don't know how I was able to achieve this, but I was 100% scared. I was scared if I was gonna cut my ear and everything, but I did it, and I got the actual face size and everything. I used a small scissors. If you check in the market, you should be able to get this type of scissors. I think it's the best scissors you need to trim your frontal edges and all that. So I decided to just do that for both sides. Yeah, I did it for the both sides, and it sticked. My my frontal was pulling back. I see that dryer wasn't drying it enough, so I decided to go in with the glue again to press it in with the glue again. I was supposed to use, like I said before, I was supposed to use another glue. I think that small white glue that stylists do use, but I don't have it. I don't want to start spending much money in buying glue, because I know for now it's only this frontal that I want to try on. I don't buy frontal like that. I just buy closure wig, which is easy to wear and no much stress. But if I'm able to achieve this, I'll go on to buy a whole lot of frontals. So let's see what I'm able to achieve with this wig. I'm using the tail of my comb to press it down again and again, just to give it that strong hold, that firm hold. So the next thing I did was to use this spray. This is water mixed with conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I don't know the name of the conditioner I used, but I've already mixed it in this jar that I'm using to spray on the weave on. And as you can see, it gave a really shiny look, and the curls are well defined. The condition is really good. I don't know if I figure it out, I'm gonna place it on the caption, but for now this is what the curls are giving to me. I feel like it's actually giving more, but I wanted to make it more defined. Like I've been seeing online, I've seen people use mousse to apply on their curls for it to be more curly. I don't know, and I decided to do it on this hair. It didn't spoil the hair. The hair is actually very soft, so the mousse did not spoil the hair. It only made the curls to be strong a bit, but after you can just wash it off and you have your hair back. So the mousse did not spoil the hair. It made the curls to be well defined. There was no tangle or anything. So that was what I did, and I was really in a really hot seat. I was like, bless it. What's the outcome gonna be like? But I was just being hopeful. So the next step is to cut out the lace. I don't know, probably I should have done this earlier, but I decided this is the next thing to do, to just cut it off and see what the front will be giving, if it's actually gonna glue or not. So in the process of cutting this lace off, the lace took off my foundation. Like my makeup, my how many hours makeup, the lace took it off. So I just focus on fixing this wig first, then later would know what to do with it. I wasn't going anywhere actually, just doing my normal thing, testing my makeup products and just creating content as usual. So during this step, I was being very careful. So if you're trying it out on yourself, you just have to be very careful. There's how the professionals normally cut their lace in a zigzag form or something like that. But like I said, I'm no professional. I'm just a girl trying out new things, and I tried my best. I actually tried my best. So on the reason why I haven't been online or I haven't been creating content for the past 2 years, yeah, it's up to 2 years or something like that. I'll be telling you guys more on that on my next video or my next vlog. But for now, I am back, and I'm back to create more content. A lot has happened. A whole lot has happened in the past 2 years. But I'll be explaining more on what went wrong, or what didn't go wrong, or why I stopped, or anything that happened. I'll be explaining that in my next video. So this is just me clearing my gallery of a video that I had for a month plus now. So this is just the final look of the hair. I know I tried. I decided to just secure the hair at the back there because I'm not going anywhere with this hair. I'll be pulling it off, I swear. I'm not going with it, but I just wanted to show you guys my first trial on installation of wig. I'll be trying more of it. I know I have known where I went wrong. I've known my mistakes. So my next one, I'll do my best. I was supposed to apply foundation on the lace. Like I didn't remember. So next time I'm gonna do that. As you can see, it's not matching my face. So I just decided to put on the band back and to wear it like this for the rest of the day and anything I want to do. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye.